Every week I hear, I didn't know Google could do that. You may use Gmail for your business, but are you using Google Workspace connected with your domain? Have you maximized your use of all of the Google apps? Are you paying for other systems that you could create in Google Workspace? As a teacher, professional organizer, and Google certified trainer, I am uniquely suited to help you get set up for success. Let me know about your biggest frustrations with Google in the comments below so I can help you and others get some answers. You can set up your Google Workspace by yourself with my DIY Google Workspace Setup Checklist, link below, or you can schedule some VIP sessions so I can teach you how or do it for you. In our VIP sessions, we can set up and customize the following systems with you or for you. Set up your Google Workspace with your domain, create an intake form and project doc templates, schedule client and team projects in Google Calendar, customize a timesheet for your team, set up or improve your Google Business profile, and create Gmail templates and contact labels to use for follow-up and marketing emails. Which of these systems would save you time and money in your business? Contact us today to get expert help setting up and customizing Google Workspace for your small business so you can save time and money. Hit that subscribe button to get notified about more Google tips in the future and help us get to our first 1,000 subscribers. If this video is helpful, please like and share this video with other small business owners so they too can become more efficient and empowered with Google solutions and make time and space for what they value most.